Hi all! Today, the Tool Marketing channel returns to discuss software that supports Platform X. It allows us to get more likes on any article or tweet. This is a software tool for managing how it works. It allows us to control all our Twitter accounts. Here, I'm using 30 accounts. You can use 30 or even 300 accounts. When using multiple accounts, remember to add a proxy if you need to change the IP address. To have the accounts operate on different IP addresses. To increase likes on any post, go to the Viral Marketing Trayer section and then to Seeding Tweet. Then paste the link of the post you want to increase likes for here. You can tick the like box or leave a comment here. I've integrated AI commenting into the software. If you like, I can show you how to use this tool. Tag your username here. In this section, you can add additional requests at certain steps as needed. After that, choose the account you like. I have selected 30 accounts, then I click Start, and they will begin to operate. By clicking Start, the software will log into the Twister accounts I already have. It will then navigate to the account link, first liking it, then commenting on the necessary content. I performed more actions here. You can contact me directly if needed. The software has many features beyond just increasing likes, including account interactions, messaging, and commenting. If you're interested, please contact me directly. I will assist you with setup and usage guidance. Thanks for watching the whole video. Goodbye and see you in future videos.